Welcome to Personal Web Tutor. Here we've got a boat, and the boat takes 3 hours to travel 30 kilometers down a river, and then 5 hours to return up the river. How fast is the river flowing? So here we go. We got this river. And we've got a boat. And the boat goes up 3 hours, and then it comes down in 5 hours. And the displacement is 30 kilometers. But in the meantime, there's this current that goes up. That's why it can go faster up, and it takes a slower amount of time to go down. So this is the current of the river. So we want to find out how fast the river is. So what I suggest is we've got the velocity of the boat, and we're going to add the velocity of the river, and that's going to equal the velocity going, what did we say? Going down the river. But also, we've got the velocity of the boat minus the velocity of the river equals the velocity coming up the river. Okay, so we got the velocity of the boat stays the same, this stays the same. The velocity going down is actually 10 kilometers an hour. So we just take the 30 and divide it by the 3. So that's going to be equal to 10 kilometers an hour. Now the velocity coming down is going to be the same distance divided by 5. So that's going to give us 6 kilometers an hour. Okay. So now here we go. Velocity of the boat plus velocity of the river equals 10 kilometers an hour. Velocity of the boat minus velocity of the river is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these equations. I'm going to add the equations, and I get 2 times the velocity of the boat, these cancel, is equal to 16 kilometers per hour. I'm going to divide by 2, so I get the velocity of the boat is equal to 8 kilometers per hour. So if I know that the boat was 8 kilometers an hour, but the trip down was 10, that means the river must have been 2 kilometers an hour. And it's the same thing. The trip up the river is 6, and we were actually going 8, so that means, once again, it had to be 2 kilometers per hour. And that's the answer. The answer is 2 kilometers per hour. If you have any questions regarding this problem or any other problem for physics, please don't be afraid to go to personalwebtutor.com. Go ahead and you can click on Ask a Question and input your question here. You never know, your question might be my next video. Thank you.